I know you're tired of breaking the bank just to get gadgets to shoot high quality videos, but I'm here to tell you that always doesn't have to be the case. Alright, in this video I'm going to be breaking down the different gadgets and their various prices that you can get for as low as $1,000. Let's start with the different tripods and camera stands. First off, we have the 3-axis Mark 1 gimbal. The Mark 1 gimbal has a 3-axis that removes shaky videos and footages that give smooth cinematic videos. It has a 360 rotation and multi-angle shooting, face tracking and manual zoom control, and it also has a battery life that lasts up to, let's say, 5 to 10 hours depending on how long you use it. And the price of this is about 100,000 naira or $75 thereabouts. Okay, up next we have the DJI RS3 Mini, which also has 3-axis stabilization. It can handle mirrorless cameras. It has a 1.4-inch full touchscreen display and also has a Bluetooth shutter. The battery life lasts for about, let's say, 10 hours and has a fast charging with a USB-C port. Now, if you want the lesser tripod and you don't have the money for, let's say, the Mark 1 gimbal or the DJI, you can always go for the K29 tripod, which actually stretches out the most, which actually has like a Bluetooth shutter control, which costs about 18 to 22,000 naira, or let's say $14, depending on who you buy it from. And if you don't want that one, you can always go for the L16 tripod, which almost has basically the same features. Okay, now let's get into cameras. First on the list, we have the Sony Alpha A6000 camera, which also has a 24AP sensor, which is actually great for portrait, landscape, and low lights. It can record in Full HD of up to 1080p, but not in 4K. And the price range is about, let's say, 850,000 to 900,000, or about $630 to $680, depending on who you buy it from. Now, for the second camera, we have the Sony ZV-1M camera, which has a 20 megapixel sensor that is good for high quality image and low light pictures. You can shoot both in 4K and HD videos, which is good for vlogging or recording videos. And the price is about, let's say, 1.2 million or about $960. And now finally, for the last set of gadgets that you need are your lights. You can choose between the LED 800 studio lights and the BD 400 studio lights. And also we also have the PF 45 panel lights. And these lights ranges from about 40k to 100k depending on who you're buying from, or about $80 or so, $80 to $25. Yes. So guys, there you have it. You don't need to break the bank or spend millions of naira or thousands of dollars to actually create high quality videos. So guys, there you have it. That's a wrap. Till next time, peace out.